we have seen how to write in Word, how to create spaces, the white spaces, how we can see, how to select the text, home, copy, pasting, Control C, Control V have seen. We'll be doing it again, cutting and moving. Then today we'll concentrate on find and replace. So when we need to, because the document can be very large, there are certain words, certain sentences, certain phrases you need to visit and you need to replace them. You need to find first, and then if possible then you need to replace them. So how to do this, I'll show you all the options on that. So this is how we do it. We go to find and replace, and we can just take the content. We can find that how many instances of that word or that sentence has occurred. Then you can just replace. You can replace one word, you can replace all words. And then there are shortcuts also, Control F and Control H. Control F will find words or content for you, replace will replace it for you. And when you save it, then there are things which you need to understand about printing, because printing is one of the most important aspect, because what you're doing, what you're writing, what you're editing is just to make it possible to show it to the world, to show it to the people for whom you are making it, right? That is called desktop publishing, word editing, word processing. So let me just take you to Microsoft Word Wiki, right? Now this is Microsoft Word Wiki, Wikipedia, and we will take some content from here and we will try to find and replace. So let me open Word first. Word. This is how we open Word, and this is the version I'm using, 2016, but you can use any version because most of the things, the basic editing, they remain same. They have not changed in these many years. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a content from this point to this point, right? Or let me take this one only. Okay, and what I need to tell you is that I'm copying the content. I'm copying these are called the different symbols, or you can say formatting. So when I copy, the formatting will also be copied. So if I copy this also, I'll copy an image. This is an image. If I copy whole, that means I'm copying the tables also. Okay, that means this is an image. See, it's an image. These are all in the form of table. Let me copy. I'll just give you a glimpse because we are going to discuss table and pictures in detail. Copy. You can do Control C, and then you can go to Word and just type. I'm not saying you should type this or you should copy or paste this. You can copy paste anything. This is just for an example we are taking. So this is how we have copied the content, and this is an image and this is a table. But what our intent is that if I want to select one word, I double click it, I can Control C, I can copy from here, and I can give a space, Control V. This is how I Control C and Control V, copy and paste. And if I want to cut also, there are possibility. This is also cut, Control X. So Control X can cut it and you can paste it. So copy means you copy, that content remains there and then you can paste it. But cut means that content will be removed. So cut means that content will be removed and then you will paste it anywhere you want. So this is copy pasting, and we have already seen about how to select the whole paragraph. You just have to click like this. Means double click means whole line, triple click means whole paragraph, right? Now there are certain words here. Say we have type. Okay, this one type, right? Now I want to see how many times this type has occurred, or I want to find this type. So I can go here, find. This will come. Let me type. I'm typing type, and let me press enter. Now there are two instances, one here and the second one is here. So it's exactly showing where this type is present in your document, Word document. Now I can do one more thing. I am pressing Control and F together. Control F. Same thing will happen. Control F. Now you want to find how many times word has occurred in Microsoft this document. So let's see. 27 times this word is present in this document. 27 times, right? So this is how you can know, and you can very well go to each instance of that occurring, where this word is occurring. Apart from that, you can do one thing. Now, by mistake, some error has occurred. You might have, say, written India as INDA, for example, and you want to replace it in the whole document, because whole document, as I said, will not be of 1 or 2 pages generally, because if you are actually working or learning this for desktop publishing, word processing, you may be making a document of a larger length. So we need to replace it. We cannot go to each and every page, find and replace. That will be cumbersome. For that, what you can do, let me close this for you. You can go to replace. This replace, actually the find and replace are together. Means if I do find, see, find, this will come, and if I do replace, this dialog comes, and this has find already in it. So this is just opening to replace certain content. So now I am telling you another method, Control H. I am pressing Control and H together. This dialog will automatically appear. This is the shortcut, because once you learn it, Word, you will be using these shortcuts very often. So this is the content I need to find out Word, where it is, and I want to replace. So let me replace it by Wordy, just for example, and I need to replace this one. So this first one, Word, is replaced by Wordy. Then I go to the next one. Because my cursor was here, so this didn't get replaced. I hope you got the idea. I need to put my cursor here so that I can replace from here, because my cursor was in this place. It took the next word and it changed the word to Wordy. Let me again go back. Okay, close. I'm doing Control Z, right? So now I want to change Word to Wordy for whole document. So I'll select this. I'll say Control H. This will automatically come. Whichever I have selected, double click. This will automatically come in Find What, in this Find What edit box, and you can replace it by Wordy or say replaced. Let me say replaced. Right now, what will happen is, wherever this WORD is in the document, it will replace it with replaced. Now the problem is that if this word WORD is a part of a word, if there is a whole word in which the WORD is in between, this will also be changed. So in order to get that confusion to be avoided, you can say that find whole words only. So only WORD, wherever it is, it will be replaced. Now there is one more case. See, this W is capital. It is in capital, and ORD are in small letters. So you can also do match case. Only the content where W will be, the W is in capital and others are in lower case, they will be replaced. So let me replace it by say learning word. Okay, word with learning word. Now only these instances will be done. What is happening is, my cursor is here. Say my cursor is here, and when I do this, it will be replacing all which are down, but I want to change, to replace this word with this word in the whole document. So I will check for all, right? Let me replace all. So there are 18 replacement, and if you see wherever it was word with W capital, it has changed it into learning word. You can see other part also, because we have these learning word has come because in place of word. So these are the possibility you can do with Control H and Control F. Now one more important thing in Word is printing. Printing is very important. We have already a document, we know it